What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I remove Manic Panic from my hair. This is my hair in Manic Panic's Hot Pink. And this is the result after I took the pink out. I'm not a professional, honestly, I learned from all my mistakes. I used about a cup of baking soda and I mixed it with the developer until it made a nice paste-like consistency. Next, I squeezed in about a half a cup of Dawn. I've done this so often at this point, I can kind of just eye it. After I mixed in the Dawn, I used these colors to create a color that I need to neutralize the red and the pinks that are in my hair. The best way to figure out what color you need to neutralize the color you have in your hair is to use the color wheel. I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair. You can do it however you want, whatever's comfortable for you. But the whole point is just to get all that slop stuff on your hair as fast as possible. Because it has the Dawn dish soap in it, it'll lather up real nicely towards the end, so you don't have to worry about missing any pieces. As long as you kind of maneuver it into your hair, like if you were washing your hair with soap, you should be okay. Now that I got all of my hair covered, I'm just going to take the rest of the stuff that's in the bowl and pour it on my head and lather it up really good. I guess I lost my ring in my hair earlier and then found it. Okay, now that I'm all done, I'm going to go ahead and clip my hair up and let the stuff do what it's got to do. This is the final result. The red and pinks have been zapped and I am back to the ombre that I originally had before I dyed it pink. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I'll show you what color I dye my hair next.